Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows. Look at the question. 8x minus 3 equal to 3x plus 17. Now combine the like term. 8x minus 3x equal to 17 plus 3. This is equal to 5x equal to 20. Now divide both sides by this coefficient. 5 upon 5x equal to 20 upon 5, x equal to 4. The value of x equal to 4. Now to verify, putting the value of x in this linear equation, 8x minus 3 equal to 3x plus 17, 8 into 4 minus 3 equal to 3 into 4 plus 17, 32 minus 3 equal to 12 plus 17, 29 equal to 29. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means that the answer of the question is correct. Look at the question. 9x plus 4 equal to 7x plus 12. Now combine the like term. 9x minus 7x equal to 12 minus 4. This is equal to 2x equal to 8. Now divide by this coefficient on both sides. 2 upon 2 into x equal to 8 upon 2, x equal to 4. Value of x equal to 4. Now to verify, putting the value of x in this linear equation, 9 into 4 plus 4 equal to 7 into 4 plus 12. 9 4s are 36 plus 4, 28 plus 12, 40 equal to 40. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. The answer of the question is correct. Look at the question. 3 into 6 minus 2x plus 4 into 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Open the bracket. 3 6 are 18, minus 3 2s are 6, 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 4. Combine the like term. 20x minus 6x equal to 14x. 18 minus 4 equal to 14 equal to 0. 14 is common. X plus 1 equal to 0. Divide by this coefficient on both sides. 14 upon 14 into x plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 is the answer of this question. Now to verify the question, putting the value of x equal to minus 1 in this linear equation. 3 into 6 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 4 into 5 minus 1 equal to 0. 3 into 6 plus 2 plus 4 minus 5 minus 1. 24 minus 24 equal to 0 equal to 0. Left hand side equal to right hand side. It means that the answer of the question, x equal to minus 1, is correct. Look at the question. 3 into x minus 5 equal to minus 2 into 4 minus 6. 3 into x minus 5 equal to minus 2 into 4 minus x. Open the bracket. 3x minus 15 equal to minus 8 plus 2x. Combine the right term. 3x minus 2x equal to 15 minus 8, x equal to 7. X equal to 7 is the answer of this linear equation. Now to verify, 3 into x minus 5 equal to minus 2 into 4 minus x, putting the value of x in this linear equation. 3 into 7 minus 5 equal to minus 2 into 4 minus 7. This is equal to 3 into 2. This is equal to minus 2 into minus 3. 6 equal to 6. Left hand side equal to right hand side. It means that the answer of the question is correct. Look at the question. Minus 6x upon 5 plus 2x upon 15 equal to minus 4. Minus 6 upon 5 plus 2x upon 15 equal to minus 4. This is equal to 15 and 5. LCM of 15 and 5 is equal to 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 3 6 are 18. Minus 18x plus 2x equal to minus 4. Minus 16x upon 15 equal to minus 4. minus 16x equal to minus 60 according to cross multiplication. Now divide by this coefficient minus 16 upon 16 equal to 60 upon 16, x equal to 3 upon 3 whole 3 upon 4 or equal to 15 upon 4. X is equal to 3 in whole 3 upon 4 and this is equal to 15 upon 4. Now to verify, putting the value of x equal to 15 upon 4 in this linear equation, minus 6 into 15 upon 4 plus 2 into 15 upon 4 upon 15 equal to minus 4, 2 2s are 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 15s are 45, 45 upon 2 upon 15 plus 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 15 upon 4 upon 15 equal to minus 4, 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, minus 9 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 equal to minus 4. Take LCM, minus 9 plus 1 upon 2 equal to minus 4, minus 8 upon 2 equal to minus 4, minus 4 equal to minus 4. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means that the answer of the question is correct. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.